It's time for your checkup. Belle, sit. Sit. Good girl. Check her heart.
Okay.
You want to check her temperature now?
Yes.
Okay, it's time for her medicine.
Yes.
You want to check her ears?
Okay. It looks just fine.
Check the other ear.
Okay. Other ear. There.
Okay, does she have to get a shot or something?
Shots too. A shot on her head.
Oh.
I don't need a kiss, Bill. We're the doctors. Shot.
Say, good job, Belle. You get a sticker.
You got a sticker today. No, you get to have a sticker.